Clinicians in this niche earn between $350,000 and over $500,000 annually. Quick disclosure, I'm Tamara Francois, an AI clone of Dr. Karen Francois. She works night shifts and raises 3 kids, so I help her show up consistently. But every word I speak is hers, her research, her writing, her truth. She personally approves all scripts and research. Honesty matters more to her than convenience, so she wanted you to know exactly who's really behind this message. I'm just the messenger. There is a severe, quiet crisis in American healthcare right now, but if you know how to read the data, it represents one of the most lucrative opportunities in modern medicine. I am speaking to you today as an anesthesiologist and as a mother. My daughter Sarai is 8 years old. She is nonverbal and on the autism spectrum. For over 4 years, her name has been sitting on an official hospital waitlist in New York just to get an initial developmental evaluation. 4 years, and I am a licensed physician. If you think my family's 4-year wait is an extreme case, look at the national statistics. Across the United States, wait times for developmental evaluations span anywhere from 6 to 24 months. Autism diagnoses now affect an estimated 1 in every 31 children in the country. The demand for evaluations has completely overwhelmed our infrastructure, leaving millions of anxious families stuck in medical limbo with nowhere to turn for help. What makes this a national crisis is that traditional medical pipelines have utterly failed. Right now, across the entire United States, there are only about 800 active, board-certified developmental pediatricians, 800 specialists to serve millions of children. Because traditional fellowship pathways take up to 7 additional years after medical school, the standard pipeline simply cannot produce providers fast enough to close this catastrophic bottleneck. This is where adult learners and career changers have an unfair advantage. If you are entering medicine later in life from teaching, business, technology, or parenting, your life experience is an absolute superpower in this field. Evaluating neurodevelopmental conditions requires high emotional intelligence, patience, and real-world communication skills that 22-year-old traditional pre-meds simply haven't developed yet. You aren't starting from scratch. You are bringing professional maturity into a field that desperately needs compassionate, battle-tested problem solvers. Many prospective career switchers worry that old college GPAs or taking prerequisites later in life will block them from U.S. medical schools. That is why accredited Caribbean medical schools like St. George's, Ross, and AUC are the ultimate strategic entry point. They offer holistic admissions that heavily value your real-world work history, professional trajectory, and maturity over old undergraduate metrics. They provide a direct, accessible pathway to earn your MD without waiting years, retaking basic college courses just to get noticed. Best of all, pediatric and primary care residency pathways have some of the highest match rates for international medical graduates, often exceeding 90 to 95%. When hospital systems face a nationwide shortage with only 800 specialists in the entire country, no employer cares whether your degree came from an Ivy League school or the Caribbean. They care that you are a mature, licensed physician with the clinical skills to evaluate patients and clear their backlog. Let's talk about the money because it completely redefines pediatric medicine. While traditional general pediatrics averages around $200,000, specialized neurodevelopmental clinicians command top-tier compensation. Driven by extreme demand and specialized billing codes, clinicians in this niche earn between $350,000 and over $500,000 annually. That puts your earnings on par with high-paying specialties like general surgery, cardiology, and anesthesiology, all without working grueling 80-hour surgical weeks or overnight calls. For career changers who value work-life balance and family time, this niche is ideal for private practice. Because parents face multi-year hospital waitlists, cash pay concierge developmental practices are thriving. Clinicians routinely charge $500 to $1,000 out of pocket per evaluation. You can run a low overhead practice with zero insurance bureaucracy, predictable daytime hours, high profit margins, and complete control over your schedule. You achieve surgeon-level pay while enjoying a peaceful, sustainable lifestyle. Here is your step-by-step roadmap to transition into this career. Step 1. Secure your medical degree using accredited Caribbean medical schools as an accessible, high-yield route for career changers. Step 2. Match into a pediatrics or family medicine residency, where non-traditional students and international graduates excel. Step 3. Complete a dedicated developmental fellowship or advanced neurodevelopmental certification. Step 4. Leverage the nationwide crisis to negotiate high-paying hospital contracts with complete loan forgiveness, or open your own private cash-pay consulting clinic. This is the fastest way to secure top-tier physician compensation. It is never too late to reinvent your career and step into medicine. As an anesthesiologist, I see the incredible financial power of this path. But as Sarai's mother, I know that mature clinicians who enter this space become absolute lifesavers for desperate families. You can build a lucrative, highly respected second act career where you are needed from day one. Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit subscribe for more high-yield career strategies, and I'll see you in the next video.